What we have here is a coconut water factory in Hainan, Highland Island of China. Coconut water and coconut meat over here is a big industry here. Hainan sells coconut water and coconut snacks such as the meat and coconut coffee and other coconut derivatives across all of China. It's the new fad and it's a huge industry over here in Hainan Island. And this video just gives a short tour of a coconut water factory. Unfortunately, Hainan coconut products are not that popular in Western countries or outside of China because Thailand basically takes up most of the export markets to Europe, North America, and Africa, South America, and all that. But it's slowly changing. This is an old industry in Hainan, but it's ramping up to industrial scale standards. A lot of exciting things happening in Hainan Island right now. In 2018, this place was designated by Xi Jinping as a free port, and it's been 5 years already, and you can feel the difference over here with the development of all of these tall buildings and new ports and all these new businesses from across China and all these big chains coming to downtown Haikou. A lot of real estate development, and some of them are successful and some of them are not, but the ones that are successful, they're really successful. There's a lot of retirement communities here where people will buy a second or third home and they come down for the winter when it's too hot in the north. One town over here, everything is sold out. It's a huge town. You could buy a condo for like 100 or 200,000 Canadian dollars when you convert it, and it's all sold out. People from like Shanghai, Beijing, Guangzhou, Shenzhen and stuff buy a second home over here, and it stimulates the local economy here. There's construction jobs, there's real estate jobs, real estate sales, maintenance, construction, and all that. When you compare 10 years ago to Hainan, it's just completely opposite. It's like right now downtown Haikou is like Shenzhen 10 years ago. Shenzhen is way ahead of Haikou, but who knows how things will be in 5 or 10 years. Haikou, it could be like the new Shenzhen. But anyways, I'll just stop rambling now and get on with the video of this coconut water factory tour. Hope you enjoy it all.